Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you what is affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Adam. I'm from ATC Marketing, and so let's get started. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Okay, in simple terms, affiliate marketing refers to you are selling other people's products and their services, then you make a sales. Then from the sales you're entitled to a certain percentage of the commission. It's simple as that. And how does it work is that normally you'll be given a specific affiliate link. So whenever someone clicks through your link and purchases through the link that you are marketing for, you receive the commission. As simple as that. And can you really make money from affiliate marketing? Of course, there are tons and tons of successful affiliate marketers in the industry that you can go and check it out. I would recommend you can check out Penjun and also Tai Lopez. They are one of the top affiliate marketers right now. And what are the steps you need to know when you just started as an affiliate marketer? There are 7 steps that I list out. First of all, you need to choose your niche, something that you'll be passionate in. It can be in health, fitness, relationship, money making, Bitcoin. There are tons and tons of it. And start doing research on the niche that you have selected and start building a website. There are tons of ways to build a website. Go and check it out on YouTube. And you can use WordPress, you can use Wiz. I'm currently using Clickfunnels right now because one of the easiest way to build a website in less than 15 minutes. This is the website that I'm building for my website, which took me like less than 15 minutes to get everything set up. They also come with a 2 weeks free trial. And once your website is out, you need to start producing content. You can write articles, you can do videos, post it on YouTube, post it on Facebook groups, post it on the Facebook chat, your Facebook personal profiles. There are tons and tons of ways to produce content. And once your content is out, you need to start building an audience, or we call it your own list, an email list. Once you manage to capture and build your own list, you can start promoting your affiliate products to them. Then the cycle keep repeating. Content, a list, and promoting your affiliate products. So what's the most important thing that you need to know when you are just started as an affiliate marketer? Traffic and the sales funnel. So what exactly is the sales funnel? I'll cover it in the following slide. So let's start with traffic. There are tons of ways to generate traffic right now. Facebook groups, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube blog, Facebook ads, solo ads, Google AdWords. When you're just started, I will advise you to go just choose 1 or 2 platforms will do. So once you have mastered the platform that you've chosen, you can start to explore other platforms. My favorite traffic generators will be Facebook groups and Facebook ads because they are the quickest way to build a list. This is an example of a sales funnel where you can design opt-in page, thank you page, and start promoting an affiliate offer. I'm using Clickfunnels right now. Let me show you an example on how does my sales funnel looks like. This is an example of my sales funnel. You are ready to go online businesses that can make you 4 to 5K every single month? Yes, if they are interested in, click here, enter your email address, you'll direct them to a thank you page. And on the thank you page itself, I will advise you to check out a Facebook group so that you can add it onto your Facebook group, and you can keep on building relationship with them and can start promoting your affiliate offers. So what's the best affiliate programs in the market right now? There are tons of it. Check out Clickfunnels. I'm using Clickfunnels for my business. I'm also promoting them. Clickbank, Amazon, eBay, Jeremy, and you know what? All of them are free. Do sign up. Do check it out. Sign out, and find the one that you'll be more interested in to explore. And I also have a beginner course for affiliate marketing. Do check out the link in the description below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.